What's going on, muscle monsters? Alain Gonzalez here, and today I want to talk about 3 big mistakes that skinny guys make that's killing your ability to gain weight and build muscle. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Mistake number 1 is focusing too much on voluminous foods. All right, if you're a naturally skinny guy who's trying to bulk up and build muscle, you're probably eating things like broccoli, rice, chicken, beans, and the traditional bodybuilding foods. The problem with this is that although these are nutritious foods and we should definitely be including them in our diet, when we make this the focal point of our diet, we end up stuffed. If you've ever had a plate of white rice, beans, broccoli, and chicken breast, you know that once you've eaten it, you stayed full for a prolonged period of time, right? And so you probably only got 500 or 600 calories from that filling meal. On the other hand, had you had 2 peanut butter sandwiches, that would have been 1,000 calories, and you would have been hungry again shortly thereafter. The next mistake you're making is you're consuming a high protein intake. Okay, and the reason that this is a problem is not because we shouldn't aim for high protein. We should, in fact, aim to get at least 1 gram per pound of body weight. However, when we focus on building muscle, we think that we have to eat more protein than we actually do. And protein is the most satisfying and filling macronutrient of the 3. If you've ever had 500 calories worth of protein, you know what I'm talking about. But chances are you haven't, right? Because that would entail that you sat down and ate like 3 or 4 chicken breasts, okay, which is not practical. Aim for that 1 gram per pound of body weight and nothing above that. Again, protein is the most satisfying and filling macronutrient of the 3, so try not to overdo it. And then lastly, not focusing on meal frequency. We know that the frequency in which we consume our meals is not that important when it comes to gaining weight and building muscle, right? We should be aiming for a certain number of calories instead. However, it's gonna be a lot easier to consume 3,000 calories in 4 or 5 sittings than it will in 2 or 3. All right, so get on a schedule, try to eat 4 or 5 meals a day, and you're gonna find it much easier to hit your 3,000 calories or whatever calorie goal you have in order to reach that necessary caloric surplus. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, click the like button below. Do not forget to subscribe. If you haven't already, make sure to download my 25 high-calorie meal recipes. Link will be in the description. Go there, put your name and your email address. You'll get instant access to that, and we'll talk soon.